Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West unboxing for June. This is a monthly clothing subscription. They also send you some jewelry, and it's a lot of fun. So right on top, this is our invoice that shows us all of our products. I'll show that again at the end. Shows you how much it costs and all that information. It's always wrapped really nicely. So let's take a look at what's in here first. Pretty colors. I'm pretty boring. I wear a lot of black, so I like that this kind of gets me to try on different stuff. This is cute. So this is really long and flowy. Definitely can wear it with leggings. This is the front of it. No, that's the back of it. I lied. So that's the back of it. There's a cutout. And then the sleeves have a little shoulder cutout. It's very soft. It's the front of it. I'll take full pictures of the items and put it at the end just so you can see what it looks like, because some of it is too long to show on camera. And here are the earrings that came with it. You typically get earrings, a necklace, and a bracelet. These are cute, just real simple silver earrings. This is our necklace. And if ever you get anything that you don't like, you could just send it back in the envelope it came in. There is a label that pays the shipping. That's cute. And then you only get charged for what you decide to keep. So it's very simple. They make it super easy. That's cute. Are these attached? No, they're all individual, it looks like. Just little bangles. Very nice. And this might be a dress. Gotten a couple dresses from them. Yep, looks like a dress. This is cute. Again, same kind of really soft, stretchy material in the front of it. I guess this is really in right now because I've received a lot of items from this company and I love them. Just something like that can really jazz up a plain colored outfit. So yeah, it's just a nice flowy dress. Or again, you could probably wear it with leggings. Let's see what's in this one. Here's my favorite color, so I'm sure I'm gonna love these. Oh, that's cute. I love these kind of, I call them like gym shorts. Stretchy, comfortable material. This is all I wear around the house. I work from home most days of the week, so I never actually have to put on real clothes, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, and they snap out. Oh, that's cool. That's neat. Back in the day, and I'm talking like when I was in grade school, Adidas had breakaway pants like this, and all the way down the pants there were snaps. So that you could like technically, I guess, make them shorts if you wanted to. It's a cool concept. So those are nice. I'll definitely wear those around the house. Oh, how cute. I see a lot of girls wearing the lacy shorts. So this one just has it around the bottoms. It's a real light material. Very cool. Drawstring in the front. This is a really awesome bag. I've enjoyed pretty much everything I've gotten from them. I've got some really cool jewelry pieces, and a lot of the clothing has fit me pretty well. So, very awesome. I will go ahead and insert those pictures in case you want to see them, what they look like. Full shots, and if you're interested, I'll put a promo code below and a link to their website so you can sign up. So I wanted to show you this real quick. This is how much everything in the bag costs. So like I said, if there's something in here you don't want, doesn't fit right, you don't like it, you just put it back in the bag and you only get charged for what you decide to keep. So very simple. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put all the information below and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!